Si Miho, tinawag na si Tommy para sa pagsisimula ng kanyang secret task.
Please.
Ano, bakit?
Pag ganito ka, please.
What's happening here?
Basta, huwag ka nang magtanong. Malalaman. Basta.
Mio was acting really like she wanted this to happen. Like she was excited, but
Oo, pero ikaw, hawak.
Hindi, mamaya. Pag after.
Hindi mamaya.
Hindi mamaya.
Hindi
Araw-araw
Kasi
lang.
takot ako.
Hindi ka matatakot. Aalalayan kita.
Takot
I will
ako.
support you.
Okay, support me in my hand.
Support you.
Tama, support. Sino? Sa loob.
when I put on the goggles, but I thought maybe this is something for her, but okay, I'm gonna try my best to help out.
Ito, gagawa tayong isang game task.
Yes po.
Ipinaliwanag ni Miho kay Tommy ang kanilang gagawin.
Tapos, ikaw hawak dito.
Oh, ano to?
Okay? Tapos ako, ikaw hawak dito. Board.
Pwede, I can feel?
Yeah.
Ah,
board.
bakit madami?
Tapos dito, maraming butas, you know? Butas. Butas. Madami.
Oh.
Okay? Huwag kang matakot. Andito ako para sa'yo. Okay ha? Diyan ka lang ha? Okay.
Ilang saglit pa, nagsimula na ang dalawa.
So. Oh my God. Ah! 15 years po sila hindi nag-usap. Tapos biglang merong pagkakataon na ganito na makakausap niya. Dapat ko pong galingan. Ay! Sabi,
She really wants to get this done. She was like, oh my God, come on, I can do this. Like, and she was trying her best. Like, I could hear her.
go Tommy. Kaya natin to. Ulit. Masakit? Oh my God! So sorry! Masakit! Sorry! Pinakaunang-una po. Ay, nakailang baksak po ako dun eh. Start? Are you ready? Okay, go.
I do not want to fail this task, whatever it is, because Miho seems so happy and like she wants, you know, energetic about it. So I want to get it done.
Hindi, Tommy. Gandahan lang, Tommy. Yan, ganyan, slow. Wait. Ayan, yes. Woo! Pero no, na-shoot ko na po yung first. Tuloy-tuloy na po na parang naging okay naman. Nagawa ko naman po siya ng maayos. Kinontrol ko rin po yung sarili ko. Relax, Miho. Kaya mo yung kinausap ko po talaga sarili ko. Ayan! Galing. Konting right. Ayan! Galing! Okay ka lang, Tommy? Okay. Slowly. Slow.